In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 websites that you can use to make $100 to $500 per day online. And I'm going to share with you the exact strategy that you can use to actually do this. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson with danielprobertson.com. And on this channel, we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. And so we're talking here today about 3 websites that you can use to build an online business that makes $100 to $500 per day online, and even more than that if you really focus in and dial this down. Now, you might be watching this video and might be thinking, you know what, yeah, right, this is too good to be true. I don't believe it. I don't believe you can really make money, that much money using 3 different websites. But I'm going to show you really here today how you can actually do it. But here's the thing I want to challenge you with. I want to challenge you with your mindset, because your mindset, your mind, is the number one tool that you can use to build a passive income business online. And if you have a negative mindset, a skeptical mindset, I understand skepticism because as people, we really are skeptical of things naturally. And really, that's not a bad trait to have. It's not a bad trait to have a healthy dose of skepticism when that skepticism can protect you from danger, from scams, from people who are trying to take advantage of you. That skepticism can definitely be healthy, but at the same time, skepticism can hurt you if it leaves you doubting that you can accomplish something significant with your life, that you can build something that really truly matters, that inspires people, that educates people, that motivates people, that helps people change something in their lives that they want to change. If your skepticism is going to keep you from building an online business or building passive income online or doing anything else that really matters to yourself and to other people around you, and then you have to learn to take that skepticism and have some faith in yourself. Have some faith in your abilities and have some faith in what I'm showing you here today. Because this can absolutely change your life. It can make a big difference in your life where you can get out of debt, you can pay off, your bills, you can have more money for, the things you love, and more time and money freedom, right? That's kind of what we're all after here, right? So this what I'm going to share with you today can help you do that if you lay aside some of your skepticism and you're willing to listen with open ears. Okay, so here's the first website that goes with this strategy of how to make $100 to $500 per day online. The first website is YouTube. Building an online business is all about building an audience of people who know, like, and trust you. And then with that audience, you're able to then turn around and recommend things to them that will help them in their lives, that will give value to their lives, that will help make something easier or help have some kind of transformation or help get away from some problem that they're experiencing, right? And that's where you can monetize the ability to help them solve their problems by offering products as an affiliate marketer for these people in your audience. So YouTube is an extremely powerful platform for building an audience online and for connecting with an audience. Because with video, they can see your facial expressions, they can hear your tone of voice, they can interact with you in a way that feels very personable and very relatable, where it's so much easier than any other platform with video to get them to know, like, and trust you, to build that connection. And so here is how to use YouTube. You want to build your audience on YouTube. The way to do that is to continually produce videos, content that helps your target audience. So first you got to select your target audience, know who it is that you want to serve, your niche market, if you will. Know who your niche market is. Know what problems they struggle with. Know what their fears are, their struggles are, their frustrations. Also know what their dreams are, what their desires are, what their goals are, what they want to achieve in life. Do some research about your audience and figure out what really makes them tick. And then create videos around those problems and those frustrations and those different things. Videos that offer solutions to those problems. Now, I know what you might be thinking. You might be thinking, what you really want me to get on camera and record myself and shoot videos and then send those videos out where people can see them and like they can actually look at me and hear me and you know, what if they don't like me? What if they judge me? What if they laugh at me? What if I get a bunch of trolls on my channel and they say mean things about me? What if my family doesn't like what I'm doing? What if, you know, my people around me, my friends, they don't like what I'm doing? And yeah, it is challenging. It is uncomfortable. It is, you know, a struggle at times. It's something that if you want to achieve success, you have to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. There's a saying out there, which I wholeheartedly agree with, that everything you want is on the other side of fear, or everything you want is on the other side of your comfort zone. I think there's two sayings that go like that. But basically, yes, everything that you want to achieve in life, the success that you want, the business that you want to build, the results that you want to achieve, the impact that you want to have on the lives of other people, that success, that achievement, that fulfillment, it comes not just from staying in your own comfort zone and doing what's comfortable and doing what's easy and going with the flow and doing what everybody else does. The way to achieve that result in your life is by getting outside of your comfort zone, saying no to fear and saying, yes, I'm going to do this thing. So yes, I do want you to make videos that will serve your target audience, your niche, that will inspire them. It will educate them. It will make them laugh. It will make them cry. It will make them feel something and think something and maybe inspire them to do something different with their life. That's what I've been able to achieve for you here today with this video and with the other videos on my channel, is to inspire you to take action, to build the business that can change your life. That's my goal here. That's one of my goals here, is to inspire you and educate you and motivate you to build your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. But it's up to you to take that opportunity and say, yes, I'm going to do this thing. I'm going to make it happen. YouTube, that's the #1 website to build an audience and increase your influence online. Serve that audience by creating videos around the questions they're asking and the things they're struggling with, and providing solutions to those problems. Okay, so that's the first website. So now the second website to help you do this is called ClickFunnels. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is a software that helps you build online sales funnels. And here's what a sales funnel is. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, it is a guided path that you take somebody on towards a sale. So for example, in my day job, I sell credit cards on the phone. And as a credit card salesman, I take people through a funnel. It's not an online funnel, it's a phone funnel, but it's a guided journey that I take people with. I start off my calls in a certain way, and then I move into the next stage, which is I start asking questions to help figure out what the prospect wants, what the customer wants, what they need, what they're looking for, how I can help them. And then from there, I tailor a recommendation to them that will help them achieve whatever the goal is that they told me when I was asking the questions. And then I ask them to go through the application. That is a sales funnel in a sort. Now, an online sales funnel is the same thing. It's a guided process. And the first part of the process is it starts with a squeeze page or a landing page, which allows you to collect their information, mainly their email address, so that then you can follow up with them in the future. And then the sales funnel will continue on, and it will then tell them why they should take a look at the offer that you have, the product that you're selling, the product that you're promoting. That's the next step of a sales funnel. And this might be several different steps, actually. There might be a few different steps. For example, I'm using a sales funnel that has several different lessons delivered over the course of several different days, a few days, and that each lesson is designed to build the desire for the product that I'm promoting. It gives different reasons why the product that I'm promoting is something that will help them. And ClickFunnels, so ClickFunnels, that's the website that I use to build the sales funnels. And also ClickFunnels has an amazing affiliate program as well. And that's how I monetize my my site, my YouTube channel, my funnel is monetized through recommending ClickFunnels as an affiliate. That's the main offer that I have in place. So now that leads into the third website to help you make $100 to $500 per day online. And that is, it's Aweber or some other email marketing service. Because with a sales funnel, it's designed to collect leads in the form of email addresses for you. But without some kind of email marketing service, it's going to be more difficult to follow up with the leads. The email service will help you automate the process of following up with those prospects, with those leads. So combining these three together, using YouTube to build an audience, and then send people over to a sales funnel, and then using ClickFunnels to build the sales funnel, and Aweber to collect the emails and automate the process of email marketing follow-up. This is the exact strategy that I'm using right now to build my passive income business online. And if you want to learn how to do this and get access to the same exact sales funnel that I'm already using, that way you can earn while you learn. You don't have to learn how to build out sales funnels because that's a very complicated process that takes time to learn. So if you want to get started without having to learn that, all you have to learn is how to send traffic over to an offer, then get my done for you sales funnel and marketing training down below by clicking the link in the description of this video. And if you like this kind of content, if you got some value out of it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.